Welcome to Sinopala, our advanced manufacturing facility, spanning 60,000 square meters, showing strong production scale and capabilities. With 200 professional technicians, we focus on production details. We know reliable quality and on-time delivery are key for your business. Through strict QC and efficient logistics, we fulfill orders as promised. As a professional foldable container house manufacturer, Sinopala offers customized solutions for construction tourism, emergency shelters, and global projects. Our products are CE and ISO certified, eco-friendly, durable, and easy to transport and install. Trust is based on strength. Success on professionalism. We're your reliable long-term global partner.